Paintless Dent Repair offers car owners a faster and more affordable alternative to traditional dent repair methods. Originating from car manufacturing plants, PDR quickly evolved into a popular choice for fixing small dents without repainting. The technique involves restoring the metal of the vehicle by accessing the dent from behind and carefully manipulating it back into place using specialized tools. Key advantages of PDR include maintaining the original paint job, cost-effectiveness, time-saving, and environmental friendliness. The technique employs specific techniques such as pushing, pulling, tapping down, blending, and reading the light to achieve optimal results. Essential tools used in PDR include dent removal tools, lighting and reflection tools, specialized glue and glue guns, and various accessories. Advanced techniques and equipment like heat application methods, advanced blending techniques, electronic dent detection systems, and computerized PDR systems continue to enhance the efficacy of PDR services. Mastery in PDR requires intensive training and certification, with various institutions offering comprehensive courses to aspiring technicians. Certification serves as a mark of trust and credibility, demonstrating proficiency and adherence to industry standards. Safety considerations are paramount in PDR, emphasizing the importance of protective equipment, careful tool handling, and maintaining a safe workspace. Overall, PDR reflects a progressive approach to car maintenance that prioritizes efficiency, authenticity, and optimal results without compromising on quality. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@theRateofGemStatePDR.com.